Hi everybody, Kathy from Catskill Animal Sanctuary here with Marla and Micah. We came to you a couple months ago asking for your support. We had a $100,000 match, and there's a sheep snout for you. That's Little Scout. We had a $100,000 match on the table, and you guys responded so generously. We raised a total of $300,000, including the match, from donations from all around the country. We quite literally could not do this life-saving work without your help. It is life-affirming, but it is costly. So from the bottom of all our hearts, thank you so much.
Thanks for helping the animals.
Thank you so much for the hay.
Thanks for the medicine, guys.
Thank you for the food.
Thanks for the supplies.